Today I'm coming at you with a specialized type of cleaning method today. We have a customer that has been dealing with a lot of graffiti. Some of it's paint, some of it's felt tip, and we're looking at graffiti that's on different surfaces. We're using a couple different chemicals here when we do this. So this is a bare brick and stone masonry graffiti remover. This is a felt tip, so sometimes we're gonna have to go back and forth. If this didn't get it, we're gonna put this, if it's a felt tip, on this type of surface. And the same thing on this side is a specialized chemical, and this is made for sensitive surfaces. So a surface that may be painted, street signs. This is for your sidewalks, your brick walls, anything like that that someone just can put spray paint on. Show how to use these on site on the actual damaged surfaces. And again, the surfaces that we have one area that's bare brick, and we have a few areas that are either like an aluminum or that have a painted surface that we don't want to take that paint off, but we do want to remove the graffiti. All right, so the first thing we're going to work on is we're going to work on this bare brick. So you'll see from the video, someone has come over here and what looks like they put probably felt tip marker or something like that on this. This is bare brick, so as you see the brown chemical that we're dealing with. So first things first, reading the directions is always a good idea, even if you've used it before. So with this, of course, it says shake well first, and then I'm going to flood the surface 3 times. So letting it sit with a 3-minute interval between. Sit for 3 minutes, and what I'll actually do is there's another area that we have here. I'm going to agitate it a little bit. It's already, if you can see it, it's already kind of coming off. You can see it removing already as I use the brush to agitate. This one we've actually attempted to get it off before in the past without using a chemical, with just using a pressure washer and a high pressure tip. So as you can see, it kind of made streaking here, which I really don't like. Chemical is always a better idea than using just straight pressure. You can kind of still see a little bit. So what we'll do is come back and put some felt tip remover on it, which is a different chemical. It's a smaller of the bottle, it's a little black bottle, and that'll take care of all this. So we'll go ahead and do that, lay it sit. And that usually wipes it right off, but you have to use the other product first before you can put the other product on it. So if you kind of see here on this one, we have some shadowing still. So this was a felt tip pen, so they probably were pushing really hard. So for that kind of stuff, for the shadow, we'll use this felt tip or felt pen fade out. This area here, as you see, someone is tagged here, probably felt tip marker, maybe just regular paint, it looks like. But this is a painted surface, and the last thing I want is remove all the paint and have to come back and repaint this pole. That probably costs the customer a couple $100 to repaint a pole. So what we're gonna try to do is we're gonna use our sensitive surface graffiti remover. So this is for painted surfaces, or surfaces you really don't want to mess with, so if it's just a bare aluminum. Don't want to get too harsh with it, so same thing. And a lot of people probably think, oh, that's just paint thinner. It's actually not. It's not gonna thin this paint, it's just pulling off that surface of the ink that someone came and put on here. So we're gonna do the same thing here as we did over there. And you can watch this felt tip just come right off. So, and it also cleans the pole for you. As you can see, we got that felt tip or paint off of the brick, so the non-painted surface. And we also got the graffiti off of these sensitive surfaces. So this is a painted surfaces, and you saw the pole. They're very effective. A lot of times the company will come out and be like, sorry, we pressure washed it, won't come off, you need to paint. So a little bit of knowledge, a little bit of education, and you can make a lot of money doing this. As you can see, customer will be very happy, come out and see that it's all gone. All right, thank you for watching. See you next time.